Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to showcase some amazing kitchen gadgets that will save you both time and money this month. Whether you're cooking for your family or meal prepping for the week, these tools are designed to make your kitchen tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Stay tuned to discover smart, budget-friendly gadgets that will transform the way you cook and organize your kitchen. Let's get started. Ninja SLUSHi Frozen Drink Machine. If you love snow cones, slushies, or frozen margaritas, this is your new best friend. It uses rapid chill technology to turn your favorite drinks into perfectly frosty slush in minutes, much faster than a standard blender. With 5 preset programs, it handles everything automatically. This solves the problem of chunky, icy frozen drinks by creating that smooth, icy texture you usually only get from a store. Perfect for summer parties or a fun, quick dessert. Electric Can Opener Knife Sharpener. This heavy-duty stainless steel opener makes quick work of any size can, large or tall, which is a lifesaver for seniors or anyone with grip issues. The best part is the built-in knife sharpener. It saves countertop space by combining 2 essential tools into one stand-up appliance. You benefit from hands-free can opening and consistently sharp knives without needing extra bulky equipment. It's a simple upgrade that makes daily kitchen tasks much easier and safer. Elite Gourmet Long Slot Toaster. Tired of trying to fit long, artisan bread slices or thick bagels into tiny toaster slots? This 4-slice toaster has extra long, wide slots to accommodate almost anything you want to toast, from baguettes to waffles. It offers 6 toast settings, plus reheat, defrost, and cancel functions, and even includes a built-in warming rack. This gadget solves the common breakfast dilemma of unevenly toasted foods and keeps your pastries warm while you finish your coffee. Prepara Original Salad Pod Jar. This is the ultimate container for packing a fresh, crisp salad for lunch on the go. Its main feature is the side opening, which keeps the dressing and toppings separate from the leafy greens until you're ready to eat. You just mix it right before serving, ensuring your salad isn't soggy by lunchtime. It eliminates the need for separate containers for toppings and dressing, making your healthy lunch prep easy, portable, and always fresh. Bella Electric Griddle Warming Tray. Imagine making pancakes, eggs, and bacon all at once. This large, non-stick surface makes it possible. It features a cool touch handle and adjustable temperature control, plus a built-in warming tray underneath. This lets you keep cooked items warm without overcooking them. It solves the frustration of serving food cold by managing large batch cooking efficiently, making breakfast for the whole family stress-free. Stainless steel gold mixing bowls. These aren't just pretty bowls. This is a nesting set of 7 with airtight lids for superior food prep and storage. They are made from durable, food-grade stainless steel with a stylish gold finish. The nesting design is a huge space saver in your cabinets. They are perfect for mixing dough, whipping cream, and then immediately sealing leftovers. The lids keep your food fresh, solving the need for separate containers and cling wrap. Expandable Kitchen Silverware Organizer. Does your kitchen drawer look like a junk drawer explosion? This organizer adjusts and expands to fit almost any drawer size, creating custom-fit slots for forks, knives, and larger serving tools. It transforms a messy drawer into a neat, categorized space, making it easy to find what you need instantly. This simple solution completely solves cutlery clutter, providing a calm and tidy storage solution. Electric Salt Pepper Grinder Set. Stop twisting and start seasoning with the push of a button. This automatic battery-operated set features adjustable coarseness for both salt and pepper, and even has an upgraded larger capacity. The built-in LED light illuminates your food so you can see exactly how much seasoning you're adding. This solves the problem of clumsy manual grinding, which is especially great when you only have one hand free while cooking. Premium Non-Stick Meat Chopper. If you cook ground meat often, this tool is a game changer. It's perfect for breaking up ground beef, turkey, or chicken right in the pan. The nylon masher head is heavy-duty and non-stick safe, so it won't scratch your expensive cookware. It works much faster and more efficiently than a spoon, ensuring your meat is finely crumbled and cooked evenly. It's the simplest way to prepare chili, tacos, or pasta sauce bases effortlessly. Microwave Egg Fryer Poacher Maker. Need a quick, healthy breakfast sandwich? This microwave appliance lets you fry or poach up to 2 eggs perfectly in just a minute or two. It's an RV essential and great for small apartments because you don't need a stovetop. It consistently cooks eggs into a perfect round shape that fits right onto a bagel or English muffin. It solves the time crunch on busy mornings by delivering a hot breakfast fast. Cambom Manual Food Chopper. This little guy is amazing for quickly chopping vegetables, fruits, nuts, and onions without needing electricity or taking up counter space. You just pull the handstring and the sharp blades do the work for you. It's a great, safe alternative to a knife, and the BPA-free, food-safe material is easy to clean. It solves the tedious and tear-inducing work of chopping onions and garlic, saving your hands and eyes a lot of trouble. Elite Gourmet Electric Egg Cooker. If you struggle to make perfectly boiled eggs, this is for you. It can cook up to 7 eggs to soft, medium, or hard-boiled perfection. And it also functions as an omelet and poaching maker. The auto shutoff and buzzer mean you never have to guess or watch the pot boil again. This eliminates overcooked, green-yolked eggs and gives you perfect results every single time, making healthy snacks and meal prep reliable. RAXCO 18-piece Utensils Set. If you're just starting out or need a total refresh, this set covers all the bases. It includes a huge variety of cooking tools plus a sharp knife set, all housed in a beautiful stainless steel holder. Having one cohesive set makes sure you always have the right tool for the job. The holder keeps your counter tidy and your tools within easy reach, solving the annoying problem of mismatched, scattered kitchen gear. Refrigerator door handle covers. This might seem small, but it's a genius idea for keeping your kitchen looking clean. These soft, protective cloth covers wrap around your appliance handles, fridge, microwave, dishwasher to catch drips, smudges, and fingerprints. They are easy to remove and wash, solving the never-ending task of wiping down stainless steel handles. It's a simple, elegant way to keep your kitchen looking spotless effortlessly. GANIZA Electric Food Processor. This powerful machine is a true kitchen multitasker, functioning as both a meat grinder and a vegetable chopper. It saves you a ton of prep time by handling everything from finely mincing garlic to grinding beef for burgers. It's a compact way to process large amounts of food fast, solving the need for multiple bulky appliances and making batch cooking significantly quicker. Waterproof Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Stop guessing if your food is done. This thermometer gives you an instant and accurate temperature reading, making it perfect for cooking, grilling, baking, and even making candy. Its waterproof design means you can easily wash it under the tap, and the backlight makes it readable at night. It solves the biggest cooking fear: undercooked or overcooked meat, guaranteeing perfectly safe and delicious results every time. Instant Pot Mini Air Fryer. If you want to jump on the air fryer trend but don't have much space, this compact 4-in-1 cooker is perfect. It can crisp, broil, roast, and dehydrate, giving you that great fried crunch with a fraction of the oil. It's ideal for single servings, sides, or small appetizers. The benefit is you get healthier food that tastes amazing, and it won't dominate your counter space. Hamilton Beach Mini Food Chopper. Don't pull out the big food processor for small jobs. This electric chopper is designed for quick tasks like dicing small amounts of onions, mincing herbs, or making a small batch of pesto. It's compact, powerful, and easy to clean. This little helper solves the issue of messy, time-consuming small prep work, making your daily cooking flow much smoother and faster. 20-bar Espresso Coffee Maker. Bring the barista experience right into your kitchen. This semi-automatic machine uses a powerful 20-bar pump to extract rich, flavorful espresso shots. It also features a foaming steam wand so you can easily make creamy lattes and cappuccinos. It solves the problem of expensive coffee shop runs by letting you craft your favorite customized drinks at home, saving you time and money. Ninja Indoor Grill Air Fryer. This is the ultimate tool for indoor cooking. It functions as an indoor grill, air fryer, roaster, baker, and dehydrator. It features a smart thermometer to perfectly monitor meat temperatures and a splatter shield to keep things clean. You get real char and flavor without the smoke, solving the problem of grilling when the weather is bad. This all-in-one appliance truly replaces multiple tools and delivers excellent results.